Hello, 10th standard student. Today we are going to solve the set 4.1 of lesson geometric construction. Lesson number 4. Set 4.1. Question number 1. I'll read the question number 1. In triangle ABC and triangle LMN. In triangle ABC and LMN. In triangle ABC and in triangle LMN. AB is given 5.5. The length is 5.5. BC is equal to 6 cm. CA is equal to 4.5 cm. And construct the triangle ABC and LMN such that the proportion of BC upon MN is equal to what? 3 upon 4. 5 upon 4. So firstly, we are finding out the measurements of the three sides of the element. These two triangles are similar. Therefore, their sides are in a proportion. So we are writing here AB upon LM, BC upon MN and AC upon LM is equal to 5 upon 4. That is the proportion. So here the values of AB given 5.5 upon LM is equal to BC is given 6 upon MN and AC is given 4.5 upon LM. From that, the proportion is what? 5 upon 4. From that, we are finding out the length of LM by considering with it. So 5.5. So 5.5 upon LM is equal to what? 5 upon 4. By taking cross multiplication, 5 into 5 into 4 and LM into 5. Okay. Then this 5 goes on downside in dividation. Means we will get upon 5 is equal to LM. So we can calculating the value of AM. This is 1.14 means by multiplication we will get LM is equal to 4.4 centimeter. So we will get the value of LM. Like that, we are finding out the values of MN and LM. MN and LM. So we will get the LM is equal to 4.4. Then we are finding out the value of the MN. Means MN also is equal to 6 upon MN is equal to 5 upon 4 by taking a cross multiplication. 6 into 4 into MN into 5. This 5 goes dividation. The multiplication of it is 24 divided by this 5 is equal to MN. So by dividing it, we will get the MN in a decimal point. That is a 4.8. 4.8. After dividing it, we will get MN is equal to what? 4.8 centimeter. Then you want to find out the LM. So I wrote this LM. LM means 4.5. This proportion is equal to the 5 upon 4. So by taking cross multiplication, 4 into 4.5 is equal to LM into 5. So this 5 get divided, means 4 into 4.5 divided by 5 is equal to LM. So 5 9s are, but here is the point, so it is a 0.9. Therefore, ln is equal to, by multiplication, it will get 3.6. So we will get the ln is equal to 3.6. So we will get the three values. So we get the distance, the three sides LM, MN and LN of the triangle LMN. From that we are drawing the given, we are making the construction. Okay. So first we draw the first triangle ABC, then after the second triangle LMN, ABC and LMN. So what is the length of this distance? What is the base for that rough diagram? In rough diagram, BC is the base. So it are taking the x 6. BC is equal to what? 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter. Then length of AB is equal to 5.5. 5.5. So I have taken length of AB, making the arc by using the divider, and then length of AC is equal to 4.5. 4.5. We will keep it on a C. The two arcs are intersecting at that point. That point is a A. That point is called the intersecting point A. So we draw the first triangle. Therefore, as well as we know that is all the values of this another triangle element. So MN is here. MN is what? The base. So I will draw here the MN. Okay. MN is the base. What is that? 4.8 centimeter. Then LM. LM is 4.4. LM is the 4.4. So I am putting it on M. I am making the R. Then LN. LN is equal 3.6. By taking it on a, we are marking, by putting it on a M, we are marking. So we will get that point of intersection is a L, and we join the LM and the LN. So by given information, we plot the triangle ABC, we constructed the triangle ABC as well as the triangle LMN. Yes? So both are looking similar. Both diagrams are looking a similar diagram. So we solve the question number 1. The question number 2 we will solve in the next video. Thank you.